Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Seneca County in northwestern Ohio, Wyandotte County in northwestern Ohio, Hancock County in northwestern Ohio, until 8:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Columbus Grove to near Waynes Field to Delaware Graph, moving northeast at 80 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Findlay, Fostoria, Upper Sandusky, Bluffton, Macomb, Forest, Arlington, Sycamore, Arcadia, Rawson, Morrill, Van Loo, Van Buren, New Regal, Marseille, Cary, Nevada, Bloomdale, Mount Blanchard, and Wharton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Hancock, Seneca, and Wyandotte. This is no... Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Huron County, Richland County, Seneca County in northwestern Ohio, Erie County, Sandusky County in northwestern Ohio, Crawford County, southeastern Wood County in northwestern
Wood
Ohio.
County. Oh, great.
45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:51 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Fostoria to near Upper Sandusky to Marion, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour.
I got bought up.
60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mansfield, Sandusky, Tiffin.
This must be a big ass lawn.
Astoria, Bucyrus, Western Vermilion, Galleon, Shelby, Bellevue, Klein.
Oh my gosh.
Crestline, North Baltimore, Sunburg, New London, Woodville, and Plymouth. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Crawford, Erie, Huron, Richland, Sandusky, Seneca, and Wood. Urgent.
Oh, it's FNW.
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Maumee Bay, Ohio to the Islands, Ohio. Open waters from Maumee Bay, Ohio to the Islands, Ohio until 9:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:07 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located 11 nautical miles southwest of North Cape, moving east at 65 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Puddin Bay and Kelly's Island. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.